Dear students and all my maths lovers, today I am just welcoming you all on the Mathematics 2.0 Day 2025, and here we are just celebrating the Math 2.0 Day, and on this occasion we are going to discuss that how mathematics and technologies are related to each other, and also highlighting how technology has transformed the way we learn, teach and apply mathematics. So here we are going to start, and the possible outlines for our presentation may be the introduction, math and technology, a powerful partnership, briefly introduce Math 2.0 Day and its focus on the connection between mathematics and technology, highlight the importance of both math and technology in our modern world, emphasize how technology can enhance the learning and application of mathematics, technology in mathematics education, and also discuss how technology has transformed the way mathematics is taught and learned, like for students and teachers both. Now, showcase example of educational tools, and it may be interactive whiteboards where facilitate dynamic and engaging lessons. The second, graphing calculators and software provide visual and interactive representation of mathematical concepts. The third, online learning platforms and resources offer personalized learning experiences and access to a vast array of materials. The fourth is simulation and virtual manipulatives make abstract concepts more tangible and easier to grasp. Mention how mathematics and technology can foster collaboration and communication among students and teachers. Math in technology, a foundation of innovation. Explain how mathematics is essential for the development and functioning of various technologies, like in the field of the science and technology. Mathematics is very important and play a much more important role here, like we are just providing the examples. In the field of engineering and technology, computer science and programming, mathematics provide the logical framework for algorithms and data structures. The second, in engineering and design, mathematical models are used to simulate and optimize the designings. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, this is very in these days, artificial intelligence and machine learning having the vast role of mathematics, particularly statistics and linear algebra, is crucial for developing AI algorithms. The fourth is communications technology, signals processing and coding theory, heavily on mathematical principles. The future of mathematics with technology, and we can see that how mathematics is important for future scope also. Discuss how emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, big data analysis and quantum computing will further shape the field of mathematics. Consider how these technologies might impact mathematical research, education and applications. Encourage students to explore these emerging fields and pursue career in mathematics and technology. Math in everyday life. Showcase how mathematics is present in various aspects of daily life, from budgeting and cooking to shopping and navigations. This is the daily life examples, how mathematics plays an important role in our day-to-day life. Give practical examples of how mathematical skills are used in everyday tasks. Conclusion. What is conclusion? The conclusion is the power of math and technology. Summarize the key points about the relationship between mathematics and technology. Emphasize the importance of mathematical literacy and technological skills for future success. Encourage students to embrace both mathematics and technology in their learning and future endeavors. Additional tips for our presentation, like we can use visuals, incorporate images, graphs and animations to make our presentation more engaging. Keep it concise. We can use clear and concise language, avoiding jargons, and include interactive elements. Consider adding quizzing, polls or short activities to involve the audience, and also provide examples of how mathematics and technology are used in different industrial and the career oriented fields. Include information about influential figures in both the fields, mathematics and technology. Most of the people, mathematics is the backbone of technological advancements. Machine learning and data analysis heavily bank on mathematical models and statistics. Cybersecurity and the cryptography, where the number theory and the related concepts are widely used, and also rely on various mathematical concepts. If you are interested in math, start by pursuing an online MSc in statistics, where you can see and you can learn how mathematical field is full of statistics and the advancement of statistics, how we can use this in the cyber security and cryptographic, like in the field of computer science and the advancement of computer science we can observe by using these tools. Below are the few ways of mathematics is significant in contemporary technologies, foundational principles and algorithms. Modern technologies are based on the various foundational principles and algorithms derived from math. Computer science uses various math, logical and number of theory, and this is very important topic, and we have earlier discussed, and when you will go on my lecture series, then you can see that how number theory is important for the mathematics and to develop data structures and computer algorithms. Basic addition and multiplication are also the backbone of complex computer operations. So lots of things we can do via mathematics, and by implementing the concepts in very advanced level, we can see that how technology has transformed by using mathematical tools. As we discussed that data analysis and machine learning also full of mathematics and technology, and the financial technology and quantitative analysis is also an important field where mathematics is important, like in financial technology and quantitative analysis also heavily relies on math. Below are the few ways mathematics help these fields. The first, quantitative analysis, the use of math models and numerical methods to analysis financial data. Statistics is widely uses these models to identify trends and patterns. The financial technology, the fintech uses mathematical models for credit scoring, fraud detections and risk assessment. Derivative pricing, black schools and other mathematical models are used to guide pricing options. These models help quants identify market trends and predict asset prices more accurately. And in the field of risk management, mathematics is also important. In cryptographic system and cyber security, also use mathematical algorithms to secure communications channels and sensitive information. Encryption and cryptographic algorithms use mathematics. For instance, public key cryptography is designed from number theory, and cybersecurity experts use the mathematical concepts to design authentication and digital signatures. Message authentications, code and hash functions improve data integrity. Now, optimization and simulation. Optimization and simulation help various industries boost their decision making efficiency and problem solving abilities. Mathematical techniques employed allow professionals to find solutions from endless available options. Mathematical models employed in optimization and simulation include the learning programming used for optimizing resources allocation and efficiency in manufacturing, finance and transportation industries. Integer programming, like involve using discrete decision variables to solve problems. Finite element analysis, a numerical simulation model used for stress analysis and other complex systems, and uses random sampling techniques to predict probability of different outcomes in unstructured systems. What is end note? The end note is mathematics is certainly indispensable in modern technologies. The foundation principles and model behind the modern innovations and derived from mathematical concepts, it is highly advisable that you embrace math to succeed in the current tech-driven world. So now we can simply understand that how mathematics and technologies are related to each other, and by the help of mathematics we can survive in the long term prospect of the future sustainability of technology and innovations via mathematics.